Good morning, students. Today it is third lecture of electrochemistry. In previous lecture, we know that how to calculate electrode potential of various element by help of SHE, a standard hydrogen electrode. Now we are going to study electrochemical series and its application. So the students, electrochemical series is series of element arranged depending upon its value given in volt, which are as follow. Students, in your NCERT book, in electrochemical series, at the middle 2H plus 2 electron, it gives H2 is given in a bold letter and its value is 0.00 volt. Now the students, when we move downward in the table, at the end lithium plus gain 1 electron to give lithium, its electrode potential is minus 3.05 volt. And the students, as we move upward in the series, F2 it gains 2 electron to give 2F minus. Its electrode potential is 2.87 volt. So the students, we see that as we move top to bottom, negative value is increased, and as we move bottom to top, positive value is increased. And the students, according to electrochemical series, various types of calculations or observations are known, which are as follow. So the students, now we discuss application of electrochemical series. Its application. The first application is to compare the oxidizing and reducing power. Second one is to compare the relative strength of metal. Third one, students, to calculate the cell potential, anode cell of galvanic cell. So the students, as we move positive to negative, reducing power will increase. And compare the relative strength of metal. Students, you compare Mg is most, then Zn, then Fe, then Cu, then Ag. We relate the metals Mg It means magnesium displaces zinc, iron, copper, silver from its salt. Zinc displaces iron, copper, silver from its salt. So the students, we relate the strength of the metal by the help of electrochemical series, and by the help of electrochemical series we calculate the anode cell. If the student, we have known value of right electrode potential and left electrode potential, then we calculate the anode cell of galvanic cell. Students, we move towards a important topic which is Nernst equation. To calculate it helps to calculate electrode potential of any element at any concentration. So the students, Nernst, we took an example Mn plus aqueous. It gain an electron to convert M solid, where M is metal. M is the students metal. Now the students, according to Nernst equation, we write E cell equals to, here we write EMN plus 2M electrode potential, E naught Mn plus 2M minus 2.303 RT by NF product log concentration of product by concentration of reactant. Students, this is the Nernst equation, in which Emn plus vertical line M electrode potential at any concentration. It is a standard electrode potential. It means electrode potential at 1 M concentration. Students, R is gas constant, T is temperature, N is number of electron involved, F is Faraday, and a square bracket represent the concentration. So the students, we know that R is 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, and 0.082 bar liter mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Temperature is room temperature 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. Students, N is number of electron involved. Students, F is Faraday. 1 Faraday equals to, students, you remember that 96,500 Coulomb per mole. So the students, if we put the value in Nernst equation, we found that 2.303 into the value of R, let be taken in bar liter mole inverse Kelvin inverse, 0.082 by number of electron transfer into 96,500 log, we know that the concentration of pure metal is unity, 1 by Mn plus. To calculate the value of these strands, we find that Emn plus 2m equals to E naught Mn plus 2m minus 0.0591 by n log 1 by Mn plus concentration. So the students, we follow this formula to calculate the electrode potential at any concentration, and a standard electrode potential is given in your electrochemical series, which is given in your NCERT book. N number of electron involved, how many number of electron transferred, 2, 3, 4 or 1, and this is the concentration of metal ions. The students, we took a formula to understand the Nernst equation. For example, Zn2 plus in 0.01 m plus 2 electron, it gives Zn solid. Now students, we initially find the E naught Zn2 plus 2 Zn from electrochemical series, which is minus 0.76 volt. So the students, this equation is put on Nernst equation, then E Zn2 plus 2 Zn equals to E naught Zn2 plus 2 Zn minus 0.0591 by how many electron involved in this students? 2. Then 2 log 1 by concentration of Zn2 plus. So the students, the concentration of Zn2 plus is given, and putting all these value, that is minus 0.76 minus 0.0591 by 2 log 1 by 0.01, and the students, to solve and find the value into volt. And the students, we took a second example, which is SHE. In SHE, the students, equation is 2H plus 2 electrons, it gives H2. Now the students, we know that pressure is directly proportional to concentration, that is concentration, and we know that it is 1 bar. So the students, Nernst equation is E naught H plus H2 PT. Sorry, that is not E naught. E naught is here, E naught H plus H2 PT minus 0.0591 by n 1 by H plus. Students, coefficient must be present at the top. So the coefficient is 2, then it becomes a square. Coefficient is 3, then it becomes thrice. Now we know that the value of a standard value of SHE is 0 minus 0.0591 by how many electrons involved in this equation? Students, 2. So number of electron is 2 and pressure is 1. So it is taken as 1. Students, in between logs carry on, and H plus concentration. Students, if we have H plus 0.1 m, so 0.1, that's a square, and calculate the value of electrode potential at any concentration. Now the students, we took a cell, that is, if Zn2 plus, that is 0.01 m vertical line, copper 2 plus, that is 0.1 m vertical line copper. Now the students, initially we calculate E cell, that is minus 0.7, that is 0.43 minus 0.76, that is 1.10 volt, which is studied in previous class. So the students, we initially find the equation Zn2 plus 2 electron, copper 2 plus, it gain 2 electrons, it gives copper. Now we cancel the electron, Zn plus copper 2 plus, it gives Zn2 plus Cu. So the students, we follow the Nernst equation. E cell, here E cell is used because oxidation and reduction both are combined. So the E cell is E0 cell minus 0.0591 by n log. Students, pure solid has concentration 1, so we took Zn2 plus by their concentration is 1 and we took copper 2 plus. Now the students, put the value of E0 cell 1.10 minus 0.0591 by how many electrons are transferred in this solution? 2 electrons. Lossing of 2 and gaining of 2. So the 2 electrons involved in this reaction, log Zn2 plus, concentration of Zn2 plus is 0.01 and copper 2 plus is 0.1, and solve the question to find the E cell of the following equation at any concentration. Now the students, we took a generalized equation which is as usual A, B, it gives C and D. Students, capital letter is A and B is reactant and a small letter a and b is its coefficient, and capital letter C and D is product and a small letter c and d is its coefficient. If the students, in this equation n electron are exchanged and we follow the Nernst equation, we write down that E cell potential at any concentration equals to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by n log concentration of product. So the students, C पे power C, D पे power D, A पे power A, B पे power B. Students, in various book, if you use at the place of positive sign, then the reactant is written at numerator and the product is written at denominator. Now the students, if you write these equations 0.0591 by n log, then we write A, B, C and D. So the students, this symbol is very important. If you write negative sign, then product is present at above, and if we use positive sign, then the product is written at denominator side. So the students, E cell equals to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by n log. If the equation is not in equilibrium, students, then it is called QC, reaction coefficient. You know well in chemical equilibrium, when the equation not present in equilibrium, then Kc is written as QC. So the students, in any equation, if you find a cell reaction, then you calculate very easy the cell potential at any concentration. It is very helpful for you students. Students, we took an example in tax 3.5 of your NCERT book, and next equation follow as. Initially we write the equation nickel, it gives nickel 2 plus 2 electron. Second one is students 2 Ag plus 2 electron, it gives 2 Ag. Students, we took 2 to balance the equation, and cancellation of these electrons, we find nickel 2 Ag plus, it gives nickel 2 plus 2 Ag. Now the students, we follow next equation. E cell equals to E naught cell. So E naught cell is given in your question 1.05 minus 0.0591 by how many electrons involved students? Only 2. Then here took as 2 log. Students, at nominator concentration of product is taken. So nickel 2 plus, and the students concentration of Ag plus is taken. Now alerting the students, here the coefficient 2 is used, so it is used in a square. Now 1.05 minus that solved to 0.0295 log nickel 2 plus concentration is given in your question 0.160 by 0.002 upon a square. Now the solving equation, students, you get the answer which is 0.91 volt. To solve the equation, students, now we discuss 3.4 in tax 3.4. In tax 3.4 students, in SHE its pH is given 10. Now the students, we know that H plus concentration is 10 to the power minus pH. So 10 to the power minus 10 m concentration of H plus. We know that 2H plus 2 electrons, it gives H2 gas at 1 bar. Now the students, E cell equals to E naught cell of SHE students is 0 minus 0.0591 by 2 log 1 by, because the pressure is 1, by H plus and coefficient is raised in the power. And the students, we have find the value of H plus to get the each cell. So the students, today's assignment is in tax 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, and the student in exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.5. This is very important, in which 4 questions are given, which follow by next equation, and this question is most important for the board. So the student, all the questions solved.